Hey there and welcome to our patio. Today we are grilling. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's mealtime mentors, and today we are working with a unique type of whitefish and we are putting it on the grill with tons of different summertime veggies.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making a grilled lemon, rosemary, bronzini, and veggies.
Yes, delicious. So to get started on our veggies, we're using a grill pan today. I love having a grill pan at home. It makes it super easy to just toss everything in this one pan and throw it on the grill. That's what we're going to do with our veggies. So we have a lot of seasonal veggies today. These could be interchanged for really whatever you have on hand. We've got some zucchini that we've sliced up into half moons, along with some yellow squash, sliced red onion, and then some cherry tomatoes that have also been sliced in half. Could use grape tomatoes. I'm just going to kind of give these a toss here. And then we're going to add in some seasoning.
So super simple. We're just going to use a little bit of olive oil and then some lemon zest. I love the freshness that this lemon zest brings to this recipe.
Yes, and you don't really need to do too much to these veggies.
And then some rosemary.
Yum. And then a little salt.
A little salt and
Pepper to top it off. I will give these a little toss just to kind of mix everything up. And then from here, we're going to put these veggies on our grill that's preheated to medium-high.
So the veggies need to cook for about 20 minutes total. About 10 minutes in, we will add our fish. Ooh, I love that sizzle sound.
So good.
Awesome.
All right. That's out of the way.
Okay, so moving on to our fish, we're using Bronzini today. It might be a fish that you haven't heard of before. It's kind of gaining in popularity, also known as a Mediterranean or European sea bass, but it's sustainable, which is really cool.
Yes.
All right, so the fish is pretty mild in flavor, very tender, and this is a really great way to get maybe fish skeptics to try a fish meal.
Yes, yep, really mild, very similar to like a tilapia or a cod, just a simple whitefish.
All right, so the fish, we're just going to get some oil on here. Just have it on some foil, so super simple cleanup.
Yeah, so we're cooking it in a foil packet, which is really nice because it actually helps steam the fish a little bit and locks in a lot of that moisture.
And then the lemon zest. So exact same seasonings as what went on the veggies, which is super, super helpful.
Yes, we like to keep it simple.
Some salt and pepper. And then we'll just top it off with some fresh lemon slices.
I think a lot of times, especially when it comes to grilling fish, can be very intimidating, but it doesn't need to be. Cooking it in a foil packet makes it really easy, and then adding just a little bit of oil and then whatever type of seasonings you want, but you don't really have to do a whole lot to it.
Right. This really lets the fish shine. So I'm going to top this with another piece of foil and then just kind of crimp it up and create a little packet.
Yeah.
And that's it. So this will go on the grill once the veggies have cooked for about 10 minutes. So we still have a little time.
Yes, so veggies need to cook for 20 minutes total, so we wanted to get them on the grill in advance. Give them a couple more minutes, and then we will add in this fish. All right, let's check in the veggies.
Ooh.
Oh, yes, perfect. Okay, so we can add in our fish. I'm just going to take our foil packet and slide it right on our grill.
It smells so good.
Close it, and...
Oh, we have to give veggies a stir.
Oh, that's right. Don't want the bottom ones to get a little too toasted, but don't they look good?
Yes, it smells amazing.
Yeah. All right, so give this a close, and we'll wait just about 10 more minutes. Check on the veggies, make sure they're good to go, and the fish should be good too. All right, let's check on the... Ooh, yes, this looks great. Okay, so I'm just going to take our... I'll turn off the grill first. Take our veggies off.
Yum.
Those look so
Beautiful.
perfect. I'm just going to slide this off as well.
All right, let's take a look. Unwrap the fish. The veggies look good.
Yes, give these a little toss here. Perfect.
You can really
awesome.
smell
Wow, yes.
the rosemary.
Definitely.
All right.
I'm going to grab our plate here and fill it with some veggies. How does the fish look? Oh, perfect.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Oh, yum.
Here, let's
I
grab
can
them.
scoop it
All
up.
right.
Oops.
Awesome. It's very flaky, but
As
that's
you
good
can
though.
tell. Yes. And it comes right off the skin, which is really, really nice.
Yes, definitely. Oh, I should give you a fork, huh?
Thank you. I'll give this a try.
Yeah, I'll try one of the veggies.
Okay, I'll try a bite of the fish.
Oh, lemon. So much lemon.
Super summery.
Yum.
Love this.
Well, we hope you give grilled fish a try with this recipe.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.